What is your life's purpose? If you're watching this video, the chances are you're not sure. You're just not sure what your life purpose is. Now, I don't know what your life purpose is, but somehow, way back here, this part of the brain, I call the truth teller, that part of the brain, he or she actually really does know what your life's purpose is. Now, I always say the life's purpose is to just be happy and be successful. But for many people, that's not enough. They feel they've got a vocational calling. They need to be doing something. Or, my life's not got a meaning. I need to have a meaning. Maybe they had a meaning, but that pet's died or their family's left the coop and all of a sudden they've got no meaning. However, supposing you just want to make a difference in the world. As a friend of mine once said, leave a dent in it, but a nice dent in the world. Something that is a legacy. Something that you will leave that people after you will remember for what you did. Not the house you had or the flash car that you owned, but what you did for them. So if you feel I can help you find out what your life purpose is, and the Flourish program has a way of really getting inside you to find out what your life purpose is, to find out who am I? What am I here for? What am I about? It's great for getting in there, finding those things out. Sometimes we do have to clear a bit of clutter on the way. Certain things have to be removed, certain beliefs or blockages have to be cleared, and then all of a sudden, there it is, that mushroom cloud of who you actually are, and just billows out, and the real you sort of bursts into the world. Give us a call. Let's see if I can help you to work out who you are and what your life purpose is.